Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to make a picture into a heart shape in Photoshop. Let's begin. I already create a new layer. Again create a new layer. Click the shape, right click, custom shape tool and click shape drop down, settings and edit all shapes. Okay, then find heart shape. See this heart shape, click, press enter. Fill color, stroke color, red. Hold shift, click and drag it on your mouse, drag on your mouse and click again, increase the stroke size, change stroke color. Okay, press enter, then open file, find your image. Okay, then select any image, click and drag it, resize, press Ctrl T, hold shift, click and drag it, click and drag it, then right click, create clipping mask. Hold Ctrl, select shape, right click, convert to smart object or group, press Ctrl Z. As you wish, I use convert to smart object. Then hold Ctrl, select the background, middle. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.